Are you looking for the best FDM 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best FDM 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Geeetech Thunder 3D Printer. The Geeetech Thunder is a high-speed 3D printer that can print at speeds of up to 300mm/s. It has closed-loop control on the X and Y axis, which ensures accurate printing. The print volume is 250x250x260mm. A dual Z-axis system with independent photoelectric limit sensors that automatically eliminate height errors. A professional damping structure for the Y-axis that reduces vibration and improves print quality. 2 high-volume heat dissipation fans on the hot end that help to prevent overheating. The Thunder is also equipped with a number of other features that make it a versatile and user-friendly printer. These features include a large color touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate the printer's menus, a built-in filament sensor that pauses the print if the filament runs out, a resume printing function that allows you to continue a print from where it left off if the power is interrupted. The Thunder is a good choice for users who want a high-speed 3D printer that can produce high-quality prints. It is also a good choice for users who are new to 3D printing, as it is relatively easy to set up and use. Number 2. KP5L Pro 3D Printer. The CNVORON KP5L Pro is a large-format 3D printer with a build volume of 300x300x330mm. It is a popular choice for professional users and hobbyists alike, thanks to its high-quality components and performance. The KP5L Pro features a Titan direct drive extruder, which is known for its excellent compatibility with flexible filaments. It also has TMC 2225 quiet stepper drivers, which help to reduce noise during printing. The printer is also equipped with a 32-bit mainboard and a smart silent power supply. The CNVORON KP5L Pro is a versatile and reliable 3D printer that can be used to create a wide variety of objects. It is a good choice for users who demand high quality and performance. The CNVORON KP5L Pro is a good choice for users who want a high quality and reliable 3D printer that can be used to create a wide variety of objects. It is also a good value for the price. Number 3. Tronxy 3D Printer. The Tronxy 3D Printer CoreXY is a self-assembled DIY 3D printer kit that offers a range of features for enthusiasts and makers. With its smart filament sensor and proximal direct extrusion system, it provides precise and efficient printing capabilities. The printer has a build volume of 180-180-180mm, allowing users to create objects of various sizes. When considering the relationship between food and miscarriage, it is important to note that the Tronxy 3D printer is not directly related to this topic. However, it is worth mentioning that 3D printers like the Tronxy CoreXY can be used to create custom objects and prototypes, including models for medical research and advancements in healthcare. Number 4. Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro is a new addition to the Creality 3D printer Ender 3 series, offering advanced features and improved functionality. With its FDM, fused deposition modeling, technology, this 3D printer allows users to create three-dimensional objects by layering melted filament. The Ender 3S1 Pro, along with its counterparts Ender 3S1 Plus, Ender 3 V2, and Ender 3 Neo, provides a range of options for 3D printing enthusiasts. One notable feature of the Ender 3S1 Pro is the CRTouch auto leveling system, which ensures a more precise and hassle-free printing process. By incorporating auto-leveling, the Ender 3S1 Pro simplifies the calibration process, allowing users to achieve optimal bed leveling for consistent and high-quality prints. This feature is particularly useful for beginners or those who want to streamline their printing experience. Number 5. CNVORON 2-Point for Kit DIY CoreXY 3D Printer. The CNVORON 2-Point for Kit DIY CoreXY 3D Printer is an advanced printer kit that allows users to build their own CoreXY 3D printer. With its upgrade options, such as the StealthBurner Cyber version 2.4 R2 and high-precision Clipper Wi-Fi control, this printer offers enhanced functionality and performance. The CoreXY configuration in the CNVORON 2.4 kit provides a unique mechanism for precise and accurate printing. It utilizes two motors to control the movement of the print head, resulting in improved print quality and speed. The upgrade options, such as the StealthBurner Cyber version 2.4R2, further enhance the printer's capabilities. These upgrades may include improved extrusion systems, attends, or other components that contribute to better print quality and reliability.